Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Sakhe and today I am going to give you angel card reading for the upcoming year 2021. So let's see what abundance messages angels are giving us in the year 2021. So I am going to take out 3 cards. This is for group number 1, this is for group number 2 and this is abundance message for group number 3. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon us in the year 2021. So these are the blessings for group number 1, blessings for group number 2 and blessings for group number 3. Now let's see what changes we can bring in the year 2021. This is for group number 1, changes for group number 2 and changes for group number 3. Now you just have to select one group intuitively and that is your message from your angels to you. So this is group number 1, this is group number 2 and this is group number 3. Okay. So these are the 3 cards for group 1. Now let's see what abundance angels are showering upon group 1. Travel. An upcoming trip proves to be life-changing in positive ways. So, group 1 angels are providing you abundance of travel opportunities, and these travel opportunities are going to bring some positive changes in your life. So be open to the travel opportunities. And during these travel opportunities, it might happen that you may crack some business deal, or you may get expansion opportunity to your business, or a promotion opportunity might open up due to this travel, or you may meet some important person during this travel, and that person might change your life. So, abundance of travel is showing up for group 1. Let's see what blessings angels are showering upon you. Explore your options. It's time to look at other possibilities. It's a good time to make changes. So, group 2, angels are showering upon you infinite possibilities, and these possibilities are going to are like manifesting energies that till now you might have thought that this is the way things are and there is no other option for you than that particular option. Now angels are going to open up infinite possibilities, and your life is going to change with those options. You just have to be open to tap into those options and make changes accordingly. And while making those changes, don't operate from your past experiences. Be open to make some changes in your choices. So, angels are blessing you with infinite possibilities. Now let's see what life changes angels are guiding you to make. Trust. So group 1, angels are giving you abundance of travel opportunities which are going to change your life in a positive way, and angels are also opening up possibilities, blessing you with infinite possibilities. Now you just have to trust in the universe or angels or divine power, whoever you believe in, and it will bring a shift in your life. And at the same time, angels are telling you to have trust in yourself, your abilities, and trust that you deserve good things in your life. you deserve best. So this was the guidance from angels, that angels are showering abundance of travel, opening up infinite possibilities as blessing, and they are just telling you to trust in the divine power. Now these are the 3 cards for group number 2. Now let's see what abundance message angels are giving to group number 2. Children. So those who are expecting a child this year, I'm getting a message that their wish is going to get fulfilled. And for the rest of the people, angels are telling you that you are going to get showered with childlike energy, a lot of joyous and happy energy. And do you remember how you were as a child? Always enthusiastic and excited about everything. You were curious about everything. Now, angels are guiding you that you just have to be in that energy and you just have to demand things. Just the way you were asking your parents, and your demands will get fulfilled. And you don't have to go into how. Now let's see what blessings angels are providing to group number 2. Positive energy. Surround yourself with positive people and situations and avoid negativity. So, wow, group 2, you are going to get lot of positive energy throughout this year. You just have to avoid consciously being with negative people and negative situations. There is a possibility that they will try to pull you down or demotivate you or in some way. So you just have to take precaution that you will not be with such people, or you will not stay more in negative situation. How does it get better than this? Now I'm really excited to know what changes angels are recommending to group 2. So, shielding. Group 2, you have been blessed with positive energy and abundance of joy and happiness. So now angels are telling you to shield yourself so that the negativity will not touch you or harm you. Because when you will be in a positive energy, you will be a light, and negativity or the lower vibrations get attracted to that light. So shield yourself, and you can do that just by praying to Archangel Michael. And that, or if you don't remember the name, you can just pray to angels that angels please shield me or protect me from harmful people or situations, and your work will be done. So group number 2, you are going to get abundance of joy, happiness and manifestation energy. You are going to get blessed with lot of positive energy, and you just have to shield yourself. Now these are the 3 cards for group number 3. Let's see what abundance angels are showering upon group number 3. Be yourself. This situation calls for you to be your authentic self, which is the basis for your personal power. So group number 3, you are going to get a lot of opportunities wherein you will be able to be yourself, and that is how you are going to get your personal powers. So even if in the coming year you will see the situations wherein which are difficult for you or which are challenging for you, These are the situations which angels are giving you to be yourself. So face these situations by being your true authentic self, so that you will be able to get into your personal powers. Now let's see what blessings angels are providing you with. Healing heart. You're a powerful healer. Keep up the good work. So you are going to get abundance of opportunities wherein you will be able to be yourself, and that is how you are going to get healed. Your heart is going to get healed, because most of the times you were not being yourself till now, and that has hurt you a lot. So this year you are going to get opportunity to heal yourself. Angels are blessing you with that opportunity, wherein your heart will get healed. Now let's see what changes angels are recommending you. You are understood. So till now you were feeling that nobody understands you, or this situation which had happened in your life till now made you feel that nobody cares for you, or your feelings are have been taken for granted. So now angels are telling you that you don't have to feel that you are alone. The divine power, angels, God, whoever you believe in are with you, and you are being understood. So have faith in angels and take steps towards being yourself and getting into your own power. And once you will do that, you will see a shift in your situation, wherein people will start understanding you. So this was the card reading for this year. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.